Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in the app, so open Outlook on the desktop now and sign into the account that keeps opening in a browser. Once done, check Windows default apps or Mac mail settings to ensure Outlook is the default for mail-to links and ML files. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, you can't change system defaults. If multiple profiles exist, pick the profile you use every day. Next, head into Outlook's File menu and open Options. This is where we change behavior for links and web-based handling. Now you'll stop Outlook from handing off to the browser. In File Options, look for Link or Web Settings and disable any option that sends content to Outlook on the web. Then open Account Settings and remove or reconfigure any Exchange Active Sync or web add-ins that force WebView. Make sure installed add-ins aren't redirecting to Outlook Web App. Disable suspicious add-ins. Finally, return to your OS default apps and explicitly set the desktop Outlook client as the default handler for Mailto and finish by restarting Outlook and testing with a Mailto link and a downloaded ML file. You should stay in the desktop client. If the browser still intercepts, open your browser settings and clear protocol handlers or disable extensions that claim Mailto links. Make sure Windows or Mac OS default apps weren't reverted by updates. Reapply the desktop Outlook. If problems persist, run Outlook in safe mode to rule out add-ins, then re-enable one at a time until you find the culprit. This isolates the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.